Welcome to my channel Analytics with AK, and today we will discuss about Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a self-service cloud-based BI tool, which can be used for reporting and data analysis from a variety of data sources. Power BI provides a simple and user-friendly drag-and-drop interface so that users can work with it and get benefits from it. Power BI produces highly interactive and beautiful graphs, dashboards, and reports in a matter of minutes. Why Power BI? You can create a report and perform data manipulation easily. Power BI provides a 360-degree view to visualize the data and publish the resulting content. Supports natural query language. It allows you to fetch data from 60 different data sources. You can connect your data live or save it on your local machine. The product updates happen frequently and regularly. Power BI offers a simple learning curve. Performance of Power BI is much better as compared to the other BI tools in market. What does Power BI offer? You can choose from 4 different products that suit your need. They are: first, Power BI; second, Power BI Desktop; third, Power BI Mobile; fourth, Power BI Embedded. What are the Power BI Desktop components? Power Query, Power Pivot, and Power View. Power Query used to perform data transformation, store the results in an Excel file or in a Power Pivot model. Power View allows you to connect to different data sources, create views, add interactivity. What is Power Pivot? With the help of Power Pivot you can perform data modeling, build a schema relationships, and so on. Create user-defined fields. In the next video we'll discuss about data manipulation and reporting with Power BI. Fundamental concept of Power BI. Power BI interface. Thanks for watching this video.